Erongo Red, as the Erongo Regional Electricity Distributor Company, Pty Limited is known in common parlance, was established in 2005 with a mandate to distribute and supply electricity to consumers throughout the Erongo region, as well as connect as many users to the network as possible, in accordance with the government's 2030 development goals. The company was formed by merging a number of electricity suppliers and distributors in the region, namely the Arandis Town Council, Henties Bay Municipality, Karibib Town Council, Municipality of Walfish Bay, Omaruru Municipality, Swakopmund Municipality, Usakos Town Council, as well as the Erongo Regional Council and Nampower. From humble beginnings, the company has established itself as one of the key economic enabler in the region. In the last 5 years, Erongo Red focus was making electricity accessible. In the next 5 years, the strategy direction will focus on growth, innovation, and adding value to our communities.
One of our key focus areas in the next 5 years will be to implement the customer-friendly technology to improve service delivery.
We aim to drive a vision that will enable growth through innovative electricity distribution and supply to our communities. Therefore, our intention is to offer solutions that specifically address the needs of our customers and provide them access to electricity.
At Erongo Red, our mission is to distribute and supply safe, reliable, sustainable and accessible electricity. At the same time, our overall strategic goal is to maintain sustainability.
Our strategy is developed in consideration of the dynamic nature of the global power sector and the disruptive advancements in technology. This has changed the competitive landscape.
The Namibian electricity supply industry, ESI, is currently undergoing change. The current single buyer model was revived to introduce the modified single buyer model. The modified single buyer model ultimately aimed to create a more open market in which buyers and sellers will be able to interact freely.
The industry is rapidly changing, and with those changes brings the customer behavior change. It also gives the customers different opinion in obtaining power. With the power, we have our strategy, which is customer retention strategy. And with that strategy, that is our main key objective, to retain our customers.
Nationally, we also face a challenge of energy security, since approximately 60% of all energy consumed is imported. However, the bulk of power generated in Namibia comes from intermittent renewable resources. For these reasons, the security of supply will remain a concern.
As technology develops, risks related to cybersecurity incidents and data leaks become higher. Therefore, our strategy ensures that any investment in technology must be secure and relevant to our organization.
Initiatives was being developed and assigned to each business unit for execution. Yearly, the technical challenges will be reviewed and changes will be made to the business plan.
The change in the market model signals a need for increased collaboration between sector participants, and we fully intend to embrace this change.
All our goals can only be achieved with the participation and full commitment of motivated, skilled, ethical and capable employees. Everything we strive to achieve must be accomplished in accordance with good corporate governance practices.
In developing this business strategy, our internal and external stakeholders were consulted, and together we assessed our internal and external environments to identify relevant factors that impact the organization and its strategy.
We've conducted a benchmark exercise on the strategy in the context of our external environment, the local ESI factors, organizational weaknesses. We've also looked at topical business issues and performance of the company in comparison to the strategies of global power utilities. The 5-year strategies produces a balanced scorecard based on 4 pillars, which are:
maintain financial sustainability,
stakeholder focus and collaboration,
organizational excellence,
talent.
Our people remain the most valuable asset. We can take Erongo Red forward with the right team, of inspired, ethical, and capable employees. As part of our strategies to retain and attract talent, we are implementing a retention and succession strategy that will promote open sharing and acquisition of knowledge throughout the company.
Social media and readily available information have altered how clients communicate with us and, more importantly, how they view us. This environment can change perception, trust, and one's reputation. Therefore, we continue to create platforms for dialogue to maintain interaction with our stakeholders.
We individually apply higher standards of safety, health, environment, compliance, and wellness to our work.
Integrity. We are responsible citizens.
We treat stakeholders and company resources with respect.
We are accountable for higher standards of behavior.
We are accountable for honesty and fairness.
We indicate the gains for achieving our goals.
We measure performance. We link achievement to consequences.
Accountability. We determine and measure time frame for progress.
Innovation. We crave to offer the highest possible standard to our customers.
With health and safety, we identify, minimize, and monitor health hazards within our environment.
We allocate resources to develop appropriate SHU processes.
Innovation. We remain aware of our operating space, trends and developments in our industry and seek opportunities for sustainability and inclusivity.
We promote and encourage new ideas and ways of doing things that create value.
We offer an environment where we are all inspired, flexible, and creative.
With customer focus, we are dedicated to customer satisfaction.
We believe in respecting, listening, and understanding our customer expectations.
Customer focus. We strive to exceed customer expectations in reliability, quality, and timely service delivery.
With collaboration, we will engage our stakeholders by promoting open communication.
We individually solve company efforts and goals.
Collaborations in the Erongo Red agenda is to set high expectations and to build fun at shared occasions.
We encourage teamwork in Erongo Red.
Empowerment. We create a working environment which fosters ability and passion.
We take action and control.
We remove limiting barriers and maximize skills.
We encourage decision-making in an autonomous way.
In support of Namibia's 5th National Development Plan, NDP 5, Erongo Red's new 5-year strategic plan will support government to transform Namibia efficiency and ultimately achieve its economic recovery. This will be by way of improvement of the electricity supply and by providing wider access to sustainable electricity. The company's strategic intent is a reflection of how electricity enables economic growth and ultimately will reshape the socio-economic structure of our region. The goal is that the value the company adds should be shared by all communities, which includes commercial clients, residential customers, urban and rural-based communities, as well as high and low-income households. Erongo Red, power to the people.